Welcome to the facility. My name is John Smith, and I'm the floor manager here. Today, we'll show you how we integrate automation and our skilled workforce.
This area controls the primary manufacturing lines. The environment is kept sterile, and access is strictly controlled.
Our stations are isolated for safety, yet seamlessly connected through this network, ensuring maximum efficiency. Take a look at these digital displays. The data logs clearly indicate the required maintenance schedule for Q3.
Understanding the evolution of these mechanisms is crucial to appreciating the technology we utilize today.
We emphasize evolution through composition. Here, you see the legacy components next to their modern equivalents.
If we rotate this housing assembly, the clearance looks tight near the main coupling.
Let's check the exploded view to confirm the spacing.
These models allow us to visualize every internal relationship and motion path, ensuring clinical precision.
We're optimizing the feed rate parameters now. The simulation should stabilize the oscillation within the next cycle.
The virtual machining previews allow us to optimize the G-code. This simulation ensures predictive accuracy and reduces costly errors on the factory floor.
Okay, the raw steel has arrived. Lower it onto the scales carefully so we can start the logging process.
Let's move to the inspection phase. I'm verifying the dimensions of sample batch 7 against the specifications and logging the results now.
Welcome to the main distribution center. Safety protocols are strictly enforced, and organization is key to our success here.
Right here is the initial cutting phase. We ensure the material is precisely prepared before it moves to the next stage of operations.
As the enclosures seal, the machining cycles commence, utilizing high-pressure coolant for precision milling.
This machine utilizes high-intensity coolant to achieve unparalleled metallic texture realism.
As you can see, the machines are performing different machining operations simultaneously, ensuring maximum efficiency in this systematic environment.
Our advanced thermal management system utilizes this specialized coolant to maintain precise temperatures during operation, ensuring peak performance. This automated system allows us to inspect complex geometries with unparalleled speed and clinical precision.
This station handles the final surface treatments. As you can see, the machinery applies a refined finish, highlighted by the thermal reaction.
We use these identifiers for precise, methodical tracking of every part we produce.
This staging area is critical. We ensure every component is checked and sequenced here before moving to the main assembly line.
Assembling these units requires careful alignment within the specialized fixtures before applying the final torque sequence.
We're implementing a new alignment protocol. This ensures every component integrates flawlessly, drastically reducing potential errors down the line.
This is where the coherence emerges. The automated systems examine each subassembly in real time, ensuring flawless integration down the line.
As you can see, the system self-calibrates once the manual check confirms the alignment tolerances. This ensures peak efficiency. As you can see, the functional evaluation rigs are now active, methodically applying controlled forces to simulate real-world stress conditions.
Looking at the data visualizations, the predictive maintenance schedule has reduced machine downtime by 15% this quarter.
Welcome to the quality control stage. Here, we use advanced optical gauges to ensure every component meets our rigorous standards.
As you can see, the setups are operational. We are evaluating the stress points according to the specified parameters without inducing dramatic strain.
Maintaining a sterile environment is crucial as we move to the final stage, the careful preservation and packaging of the finished components.
As you can see, our operations continue with quiet mastery.
This is where the magic happens. We utilize the latest technology to craft these steel components with unmatched accuracy.
Starting the alignment process now. Everything must be checked twice for accuracy.
This tracking shot highlights our inventory system. Components are organized methodically, ensuring quality control and efficient retrieval. As you can see, the serialized markings provide an exact, analytical link from the physical part directly to its digital record.
The overall equipment effectiveness is holding steady at 92%.
That's good, but this spike in material waste on the second line needs attention.
As you can see from the trends displayed here,
Our operational efficiency has improved by utilizing this real-time data.
As you can see, the assembly line is now fully reset and ready for the next production cycle. As you can see, all systems are idle but fully operational. The steady lights indicate system integrity.
We've synchronized every stage of the production process. This seamless integration allows us to maintain efficiency across all interconnected zones.
Utilizing the calibrated machinery ensures precision on every component, guaranteeing flawless performance from this mechanism. Ensure all units are calibrated before the end of shift. Failure to follow Protocol 7 will result in immediate shutdown procedures.
This facility operates with quiet mastery, a testament to our streamlined processes and unwavering quality.